हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जयंता क्लासेस और यह चैप्टर 2 बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन क्लास 11th के एनसीईआरटी का सेकेंड चैप्टर जो कि मैं आपके लिए नोट्स लेके आया हूँ। नोट्स की रीडिंग, अगर आपको इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइए। इसका पीडीएफ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अवेलेबल होगा। अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। तो आगे बढ़ते हैं। Biological classification points to remember. Systems of classification. Earliest classification was given by Aristotle, divided plants into herbs, shrubs and trees. Animals into those with herbaceous and those who do not have it. Two kingdom classification given by Carolus Linnaeus, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Five kingdom classification by R.H. Whitaker. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia are the five kingdoms. Kingdom Monera has bacteria, a sole member. Bacteria can have shapes like coccus, spherical, bacillus, rod-shaped, vibrio, comma-shaped and spirillum, spiral-shaped. Bacteria found almost everywhere and can be photosynthetic autotrophs, chemosynthetic autotrophs or heterotrophs. Bacteria: Archaebacteria, Eubacteria. Archaebacteria: halophiles, salt-loving, thermoacidophiles in hot springs, methanogens in marsh and in gut of ruminant animals produce methane gas. Eubacteria: photosynthetic autotrophs like cyanobacteria, some like Anabaena have specialized cells called heterocysts for nitrogen fixation. Chemosynthetic autotrophs oxidize various inorganic substances like nitrates, nitrites, ammonia and use released energy for their ATP production. Heterotrophic bacteria decomposes, help in making curd, production of antibiotics, and to fixation cause diseases like cholera, typhoid. Mycoplasma, completely like cell wall, smallest living cells, can survive without oxygen, pathogenic in animals and plants. Kingdom Protista. All single-celled eukaryotes forms a link between plants, animals and fungi. Chrysophytes has diatoms and golden algae. Cell walls have silica and cell walls overlap to fit together like a soap box. Their accumulation forms diatomaceous earth used in polishing, filtration of oils and syrups. Dinoflagellates. Marine, photosynthetic. Cell wall has cellulose, two flagella, one longitudinal and other transversely in a furrow between two plates, wall plates. Euglenoids have protein-rich layer, pellicle, which makes body flexible, photosynthetic in presence of sunlight, but become heterotrophs if they do not get sunlight. Slime molds, saprophytic protists, form aggregates to form plasmodium, grows on decaying twigs and leaves. Spores have two walls which are extremely resistant and survive for many years. Protozoans, amoeboid, catch prey using pseudopodia, for example amoeba. Flagellated, more flagella cause disease like sleeping sickness, for example trypanosoma. Ciliated have cilia to move food into gullet and help in locomotion, example paramecium. Sporozoans have infective spore-like stage in life cycle, example plasmodium, which causes malaria. Kingdom fungi, non-chlorophyllous hypha. Network of hyphae called mycelium, cell wall of chitin and polysaccharides, grow in warm and humid places, saprophytic, parasitic, symbiotic, lichen. Example Puccinia, rust causing penicillium. Classes of fungi. Phycomycetes grow on decaying wood, mycelium, septate, spores produced endogenously, asexual reproduction by zoospores or aplanospores. For example, Rhizopus elbugo. Ascomycetes, also known as sac fungi, mycelium branched and septate, spores, asexual spores are called conidia, produced exogenously on the conidiophores. Sexual spores are called ascospores, produced endogenously in ascus, produced inside fruiting body called ascocarp. Example Aspergillus neurospora. Basidiomycetes, mycelium septate, asexual spores generally are not found, vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, sexual reproduction by fusion of vegetative or somatic cells to form basidium produced in basidiocarp. Basidium produced 4 basidiospores after meiosis. Example Agaricus astilago. Deuteromycetes, called as fungi imperfecti, as sexual form, perfect stage is not known for them. Once sexual form is discovered, the member is moved to Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. Mycelium is septate and branched, are saprophytic, parasitic and decomposers. For example, Alternaria, Coletrotrichum. Viruses, they did not find a place in classification, take over the machinery of host cell on entering it, but as such they have inert crystalline structure, so difficult to call them living or non-living. Pasteur gave the term virus, it means poisonous fluid. D.J. Ivanovsky found out that certain microbes caused tobacco mosaic disease in tobacco plant. M.W. Bizarnik called fluid as Contagium vivum fluidum, as extracts of infected plants of tobacco could cause infection in healthy plants. W.M. Stanley showed viruses could be crystallized to form crystals of protein which are inert outside their specific host. Structure of virus, it's a nucleoprotein made up of protein called capsid. Capsid is made up of capsomeres arranged in helical or polygeometric forms, have either DNA or RNA as genetic material, which may be single or double stranded. Usually plant viruses have single stranded RNA, bacteriophages have double stranded DNA and animal viruses have single or double stranded RNA or double stranded DNA. Diseases caused mumps, smallpox, AIDS, etc. Variants, infectious agent, free RNA, lack protein coat, RNA has low molecular weight, causes potato spindle tuber disease, discovered by T.O. Danner. Lichens, symbiotic association between algal component phycobiont and fungal component mycobiont. Algae provide food, fungi provide shelter and absorb nutrients for alga. Good pollution indicators as they do not grow in polluted areas. तो दोस्तों इस नोट्स की भी रीडिंग कंप्लीट हो गई। अगर आप सभी को अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए। इसका PDF आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स से ले सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, फिर मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।